Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making Pretzel Christmas Wreaths. So these are basically salty, chocolatey pretzels, Christmas thingies with candies on them. What's not to love? So let's start.
Start by melting the chocolate. So grab some water, put a ball on top of it and melt it over a hot water bath. You don't want the ball touching the water, otherwise you can burn the chocolate. In the meantime, put down the parchment paper and grab the pretzels. Make sure all the chocolate is melted and take it off the heat. Now dip in two sides of the pretzel and lay it down on the parchment paper. Make sure that each pretzel is touching the other one. Sprinkle the candy decoration over it while the chocolate is still liquid. You can make all the shapes you like or want to make. Let your imagination run free. I had a little walk with my dog while the chocolate was setting. Now gently lift the pretzels from the parchment paper and you are done! Enjoy!
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. And of course, I see you in the next video.